Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I hope everyone is doing well. Well, I cannot keep up with the video series using days like it's day one, day two, day something. So I'm just going to be releasing videos. Let's say maybe 2 videos a week or something. But anytime I can, I will be posting something here on YouTube for now. Maybe even Instagram, but we'll see. So again, ladies and gentlemen, we are still trading volatility 25 and gold together with V75. Now, for those who are asking themselves why these three only, I don't actually trade just these three only. There are 6 in total, but my capital for now is not that much, so I really can't keep up with the losing streaks. So I decided I will just be focusing only on volatility 25 and 75, then on gold. So if maybe we will start with V25 for those who have been following. So we came out of our losing streak of 4 days losing in a row. So we did take a sell on the 8th. I don't even remember when was it, but we did take we did hit our take profit of 1:2. Then even yesterday, the day that was following, on the 9th, we again took a sell and we did again hit our take profit. Then yesterday we took a we took a sell yesterday, and as you can see, we ended up hitting our stop loss. We ended up hitting our stop loss, which was on the second leg. So one thing I just want to point out today is I did make a mistake yesterday. As you can see, this was my entry candle here. Then the next candle that was following was a green candle, and it ended up closing inside the range. So I was supposed to move my stop from the second position or second area of interest for our stop. I was actually supposed to put it here, and as you can see, I was going to hit that stop loss again. But nonetheless, this is where we are today. So one other thing I want to point out, yesterday we did not have a re-entry. So we just had one trade and we took a loss, and that was it. Then today, this is where we are on volatility 25. So this was our morning range. So we just had our breakout here. We did take our sell here, and we used the second area of interest for our stop loss. But as you can see, again, we have what I call a railroad. So we have the red candle closing out of the range, then we have a green candle. So it means we're supposed to move our stop, because we still have more buyers on the market. So this is where I am going to be putting my stop today, right at this high. So if price ends up getting to that area, I will be getting out of the market. Now, for those who will be worried, why am I moving stops? What's going to happen to my take profit? Again, if I move my stop, I will be moving my take profit again. So 1:2 will give us around 19, but I'll just take 20. Why not 20? So again, I don't use any of the previous structures. So this is where I am. Of course, most people will be eyeing or looking at this area for their TP, but as you can see, most of the time I always leave money on the table with this trade. Even if I was holding it, even today, I would still be in profit, but I ended up taking my profit at 1:2. So that is where we are with volatility 25. I will be updating you as the following as the week goes, by the way. Then with volatility 75, we are still holding this trade from the 8th, which was a buy. This is our stop. We have not hit our stop, though we were close, very close today. Then for the past 2 days, we had a buy on the 9th, and it did hit our stop loss. Following day, which was yesterday, we took a buy and it hit our stop. We had a re-entry on the lower side of the range. Again, we hit our stop. Then that was it. So again, later in the afternoon, we did have another breakout, but the rule I gave to myself is, or the rule in my trading plan is, I can only take 2 trades per instrument. So this is where we are today. We're still holding on to that trade. I am hoping that the market breaks the upper part of the range, but we'll see. I don't want to be biased. I just take trades that the market gives me. Again, for those who will be joining us, or will be seeing this video for the first time, maybe I can explain how I take these trades. Let me use maybe this one as an example. So this is what you do. You find your morning range from when the market opens using these daily breaks. Then you find your 9 o'clock candle for this trade. Where was it? This was my 9 o'clock entry. I mean candle. So anytime there's a candle that closes anywhere just outside of the range, below or above the range, we check that trade after the candle closes. Then okay, I think I'll explain someday, but when it comes to our stop, there is a procedure of how we are going to, or where you are going to place your stops. You can use let's say we were in a buy, so you'll be seeing a lot of green candles. Anywhere there is a structure or there is a red candle, you can use that as an area of interest where you can place your stop. Then anytime the following candle right after your entry reverses, if it is a buy, you are going to get a sell candle and it closes inside the range, or if you were selling the market, you get a green candle and it closes inside, you can then move your stop to the third position. So most of the time you are going to have about 3 from 1 to 5, but most of the time there are 3 areas of interest every time for your stop. So with this trade there was no reversal, so we just took 1:2. Yeah, we take 1:2 for our profit, so we risk 1, we take 2. Then if the market doesn't close above your range up until 7:30 midnight, then you are not going to be taking any trade on that day. Then let's say, for instance, let me show you one where I have a double entry like this. This trade I took on the 10th, which was yesterday, by the way. As you can clearly see on the chart, we had a break on the upper side of the range. We took a buy. We ended up having a railroad or a reversal after our entry, which meant we had to move our stop. As you can see, we did hit our stop. Then the market ended up closing below the range. We took a re-entry. So why do we take a re-entry? Because the market sometimes just fakes a breakout, then it moves on the opposite direction. But yesterday we ended up booking 2 losses. So this is where we are again. So some of you may be asking, why am I holding this buy? It's because the market did not hit my target areas, of which it is either it hits my stop or it takes my take profit. Then with gold, past 2 days have been okay. On Monday we had a buy. This was our area of interest for our stop, of which we never did hit our stop. We took profit, though there was a lot of emotions when it comes to these trades. Why? Because if you remember, I think it was last week, we were in the market was consolidating. So this strategy I'm using is not good for a consolidating market. So we ended up booking a lot of losses. And there's something important I just want to share with you when it comes to this entry. I actually closed this entry because my stop never got hit. So if I never closed this entry, I was going to take profit yesterday or today, as you can clearly see on the market, because my take profit was somewhere around this area. So I was going to hit my take profit yesterday. But then what actually made me close this trade? Yes, of course, I was mentally I was not okay because of all these losses here, of this losing streak. And yeah, I did not want to lose anymore. So, but that gave me a lesson for not closing my trades. That's why I am still holding on to this trade here. It's because of the mistake that I actually did 2 weeks back. So I learned my lesson here, and I won't be closing any of my trades early. So yeah, that's what we have for you. So I'll be taking any trade. I'm hoping for a buy because gold seemingly is moving up these days. So I have a sell on V25. I have a running or an ongoing buy position when it comes to V75. Then with gold, past 2 days have been very rewarding for me. All of my trades hit our take profit. So thank you again for watching. I will be sharing more about the strategy and keeping you updated as the days or weeks go by. Thank you again for those who are watching.